Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to go to the settings area and we want to go to the Permalinks tab. Now the Permalinks tab by default is going to start with a plain setting, but you can change this setting based on what you're trying to accomplish with your site. Now if you're trying to accomplish SEO, typically most SEO experts recommend that you will put in here both the category and post name and that you do a custom structure or a post name. So what you will be trying to do is you will be dictating what your permalink structure is based on your business model. And this basically means that whenever you post, this is the structure of your post as it's going to appear in the address bar. Once again, this is going to be very important as you determine how you're going to be using WordPress. Now the last thing we want to point out to you is that you'll see here in the settings menu that there is an Akismet setting. Now this Akismet link is based on the fact that we have a plugin that we've installed, and this is where you'll be changing the settings. And anytime that you install a plugin here, you'll want to change the settings first by looking to the settings area. Most of the time the settings to a plugin will be available here. Other times they'll be available in posts or pages. But this section, you'll always have the general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, and then any other settings that you have for plugins or anything else that you have installed and attached to your WordPress installation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.